Hello friends, I am Shomhita. Welcome to my YouTube channel Life with Philosophy. Today I will discuss Vyakti and its classification in English version. So let's start. According to Naya philosophy, Vyakti is the foundation of any inference. So what is Vyakti? The invariable concomitance between Hetu and Shraddha is called Vyakti. Generally, Vyakti means the coexistence between the Hetu and Shraddha. But you must notice that this coexistence must be regular coexistence. Okay? Because in many instances we may see the coexistence of Hetu and Shraddha, but on the basis of that we cannot say the Vyakti relation between these Hetu and Shraddha. Okay, I have written here an inference, and in this inference, what is Vyakti? This Vyakti is wherever there is smoke, wherever there is smoke, there is fire. Wherever there is smoke, there is fire. This is the example of Vyakti in this inference. Okay, so we can say that wherever there is smoke, there is fire. So without fire, there is no smoke. Okay, but you cannot say that wherever there is fire, there is smoke, because in many instances we can see that where fire is present but smoke is absent. An example, a red hot iron ball. Red hot iron ball is here, fire is present but smoke is absent. The red hot iron ball is smokeless. So here the fire is present but the smoke is absent. So we cannot say that wherever there is fire, there is smoke. Okay, I think it understand. So from this discussion we can say that smoke is pervaded by fire. What is the meaning? Pervaded by fire's meaning, one fact always accompanies by other, we called it pervade. So smoke called pervade. But fire, we cannot say the fire is pervade. We can say that, but we have to say that fire is the pervader, because fire does not accompany every time with smoke. I think I think you understand this explanation. So now I am telling the classification of Vyakti. Vyakti has two kinds. One is, I remove this thing. One is Samovyakti and one is Samovyakti and one is Asamovyakti or Visamovyakti. Same thing. Asamovyakti or Visamovyakti. So what is Samovyakti? A Vyakti between two terms which is coextensive is called Samovyakti. what is the meaning of coextensive? Both the terms extension are same. One example of Samobhyakti is whatever is knowable, is nameable. It is the example of Samobhyakti. You see these two term extension, knowable and nameable, extension is same. If you know anything, you can also know its name also. So it is and we can also infer from one term to the another term. But Vishamobhyakti, what is Vishamobhyakti or Asamobhyakti? A Bhyakti between two terms which is not coextensive is called Asamobhyakti or Vishamobhyakti. So, what is an example of Vishamobhyakti or Asamobhyakti? All men are mortal. All men are mortal. All men are mortal. But we cannot say that all mortals are men. This is the example of Vishamobhyakti. We may say that all men are mortal, but we cannot say that all mortals are men. Why? Because mortals except men, birds, animals, so many things can be mortal. So only men cannot be mortal. That's why we cannot tell that all mortals are men. So you see that these two terms extension are not coextensive. That's why it's called Vishamobhyakti. Okay, I think you can understand my explanations. So get more video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then,